Today we're situated in a great Parksville neighborhood at my newest listing, 384 McKillop Drive. I'm Nick Wasbauer with the O's Galloway Group at Royal LePage. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, functional family-style home is in a great neighborhood, close to all amenities and everything that Parksville has to offer. Inside, you'll find tons of functional updates such as a newer roof, updated windows, updated appliances, and you'll see the bathroom and kitchen have been nicely appointed. Outside, you'll find your large 8,200 square foot lot features a fully fenced backyard great for kids, pets, or just entertaining. If you want to learn more about this great opportunity or book a private showing, don't hesitate to give me a call. Thanks.